how to read Burger King offer terms to avoid checkout errors. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to read Burger King offer terms carefully so you can avoid errors at checkout and make the most of your deals. Burger King regularly runs promotions like coupons, digital offers in the app, or special combo discounts, but each of these come with specific terms and conditions that determine how and when you can use them. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then head over to burgerking.com, and then you can see offers option at the very bottom of the home page. Tap on it and you will need to select a location to find your offers. So once you have picked up a location, you can see various offers there. You can just tap on the offer that you want, and then you can scroll down and you can see the offer terms right there. Make sure to read it carefully. And then that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.